Alright, so in order to start this course out, before we can get into the real programming and doing all the actionable stuff in JavaScript, what we first need to understand is what really is JavaScript. So if we type in what is JavaScript into Google, the result that we get is JavaScript is an object-oriented computer programming language commonly used to create interactive effects within web browsers. So in this video, later on, we're going to learn and we're going to show you guys some examples of what JavaScript can do in your web browser. But for now, just understand that JavaScript is a common programming language used in web browsers to create websites and do a lot of cool effects from your web browser. So to give you a better example of what JavaScript actually is, let's look at some final end products of some great examples of JavaScript on the web. Alright, so now let's look at some live examples of what JavaScript can do on the internet. Keep in mind that JavaScript is not to be confused with Java. Java and JavaScript are two very separate things. So, let's talk about Java very briefly. JavaScript first started out as a small language used for web applications to run on the web, but is now used as a powerful programming language online. We can see here that this website called the Interactive Ear is a cool little website used by JavaScript to really show us what the inner part of the ear is and different things like that. This is a nice interactive page that somebody built just using JavaScript. In the next example, we create digital chemistry, which is another interactive website that shows people different things about chemistry, and we have this nice little page that auto loads as we go down here. Some nice effects, all used with JavaScript. Maps.td is a website where we can look at different maps in the world. Keep in mind that Google Maps and Google Earth is also run by using JavaScript. Here we have somebody who created Command & Conquer using JavaScript. So this is a cool, very, very cool thing that somebody did to recreate the actual game itself just using JavaScript and HTML. Amazon, Cloud Reader, and Amazon's website uses a lot of JavaScript to function. The very popular Pinterest uses JavaScript, as well as Facebook, Twitter, and all those websites as well. Browser Quest, another video game based website online, all created with JavaScript. And we have this really cool game which is called Draw Stickman, which you basically are drawing a stickman using JavaScript. So pretty cool stuff we have going on here. So a lot of different interactive ways we can use online. So it takes a lot of hard work to build anything that I showed you so far in this video. But this course will teach you the basics and provide you with a strong foundation that you will need in order to get off to a good start online. So don't sweat it. In the next few lessons, you're going to be building your own JavaScript program as well. It won't be advanced as these examples, but everybody's going to start somewhere, and this is where you're going to start your journey in learning JavaScript online.